All right, it's a Sunday afternoon and I'm just about to give my piggies who are hiding in there. Oh, there's Brown. I'm gonna give them their veggies and fruit bowl. Let's see how wild they go for this. There you go, guys. There's Clary Poo, Claire and Brownie. Brownie's grabbing some spinach, and of course, Claire was trying to steal her food as usual. That's what Claire does best. Claire, there's so much stuff in that bowl. Why are you going for the one that Brownie has? There she goes. What is Clary Poo gonna go for? She usually likes tomatoes. What are you doing, Claire? Huh? Oh, she's coming back for more. Are you on a diet, Brownie? Always going for the spinach. You used to love carrots. What happened? Yum, 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 yum. Well, look how fast she eats it. Crazy. I will after.
It's so pretty.
Yeah. Brownie. Let's see what Brownie goes for next. Is she still going to go for the spinach? Oh, what did Brownie get? Claire got a big chunk of tomato, and Brownie got a big chunk of tomato. Yum, yum, yum. There's lots of goodies in there. Bon appetit, guys.